Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can increase your inventory in Palworld. In order to do so, here we are in Palworld, and the first thing we want to do is we're going to open up our menu here. We're going to go to Technology, and we'll take a look at a couple of the inventory options here that we need to unlock. So first off, here we have the small feed bag. This unlocks a food slot in your inventory. And in order to unlock this, you need to be at least level 10, and you also need ancient technology points in order to unlock that. Next, you have further down at level 28, you have the small pouch, and there are other pouches that you can find as well. But the first one unlocks at level 28, and in this case, you need a predator core, fiber, and leather, and two ancient technology points in order to construct that. And the small pouch allows you to carry additional items. Holding it increases your inventory slots. So that's essentially how you increase your inventory in Palworld, and you'll be able to find more pouches as you progress through the game. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.